Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix the Isdone dynamic link library and Unarc dynamic link library error on your Windows 11 system or Windows 10 operating system. So here, brief description: the Isdone.dynamic link library and Unarc dynamic link library error in Windows 10 mostly related to the installation of PC games as well a program of large size. Large games or programs have compressed data which is unpacked in your hard drive during installation. So if your PC RAM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. Thank you for a user to provide this article on answer.microsoft.com. So here, before you go about trying to method to get rid this error, here you can check your PC configuration and see if it's compatible with the game or software you're trying to install. So after that, now you can increase Windows page file or virtual memory. Let's try by hold Windows key and R key in order to open run box here. And try to type sysdm.cpl, sysdm.cpl. So you can click OK. So now system properties will pop up and click advanced. Click performance settings. Again, click advanced and here virtual memory change. You can untick this box in order to do manually and click custom size. Usually 403,000 is enough, then set. After that, you can restart your PC and try to reinstall the software or the game. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.